Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Ansys workbench software. And guys, this lecture is 10 and 1 to 9 lecture is already a discuss here. And this is a Ansys 19.2 is this software is very advanced level, and this is the latest version software. And today discuss here Ansys workbench modifying tool. Okay, and modifying tool is 3 point is discussed here. First is trim, and second is extend, and third is split. Okay, and all 3 point is discussed here one by one. Okay, let's start here. This 3 point is discussed here, and this modifying tool is present here. You can see here on the screen, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, and this is a trim and extend and a split command is discussed here. At first, drawing a rectangle, and the rectangle is drawing this because okay, and line is drawing here this vertical line, and again this vertical line, and select this line is a vertical line, and this line is a horizontal line, and this line is a horizontal line. Okay, guys, and next is a at first modify tool is a delete. Select here a trim. A trim is used here this and delete this portion. This trim command is used here because unwanted portion is delete here. Okay, this is not use this portion, and click this and this portion is a delete here. This portion is not used, then this is a delete here. Okay, trim command is very important command, and ignore this axis. Ignore axis means this is select here, this is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this use a extend, and extend command is discussed here. This line is a drawing this. Okay, some extra portion is this is a delete here, and 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 this is a delete here, because use this this is a perfect, and use this extend command. And extend command is a line is a extended here, because this line is extended, and this axis is a end point, because this line is select here, and this is a extend connect to this point. Okay, this is a end point is this is a line, axis line, and this line is a extend here. This point is a select here. This is extend here. This is a maximum this horizontal line. Okay, connect to this, and this point is a this is a maximum to this distance, horizontal distance. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is extend here, and this is a extend here. Okay, this, and this is a extend here is this. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this is a this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to a split command. A split command is a select a split, because this divide two more than two portion is a divide here. Split command is very important, and two more than two part is divided here easily and clearly. And this is a one line. Okay, and this is a one portion, one line, and click this is a split, because this is a two portion is divided. This is a this point is this, and this is a four portion. This is a first, second, third, and fourth portion is a this four part is divided here. Okay, and this is line is a one line is this, but select this split command or divide this first this portion separate, and this portion separate, and this is a this portion separate, and this portion separate. Okay, this is a this point is this split, and this is a split here, and this all part is this one part, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 part is a divide here. Okay, and this use a split command is also very important. Okay, and only 3 point is discussed here. This first is trim, and second is extend, and third is split, and 3 point is discussed here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.